JH. I hope you're doing well this morning and you've had a lovely, long, restful weekend. You deserve it. Today marks the start of Rainforest Week, so you will find in your home learning packs that about half of the work that we've provided for you this week relates to the rainforests of the world. I've got a prop with me today that I took from our topic box in school, and it is a rain stick or a rainmaker. So listen carefully, you might want to close your eyes and hear if it reminds you of the rain. I've got today a book called We're Roaming in the Rainforest, an Amazon Adventure by Laurie Krebs and Anne Wilson. So listen up. Rainforest sunrise, the dark fades away, and everyone eagerly greets the new day. Oh, I just love these pictures, look how colourful they are. Fly, squawk the parrots from branches and twigs. We'll swip down to breakfast on ripe juicy figs. Jump, chatter monkeys, or swing if you dare. We'll hang by our tails and then leap through the air. Oh, snooze, yawn the sloths, all ready to doze. We'll nap in the trees as we cling by our toes. Swim, gurgle pink river dolphins with pride. We'll nuzzle our calves while we swim side by side. Sip, murmur butterflies high in the sky. We'll lunch upon nectar as we flutter by. Watch, snap the caimans with wide awake eyes. We'll offer our prey an unwelcome surprise. Hide, croak the colourful poison dart frogs. We'll burrow down under the moss-covered logs. March! Order leaf-cutter ants on parade. We'll bury our cuttings in the gardens we've made. Spin, hum the spiders, perfecting a snare. We'll capture our supper. Would you like to share? Scoot, hiss the gecko, and lizard and snake. We'll skitter and scamper and slither and shake. Crouch, growl the jaguars, as dusk closes in. We'll hide until dark when our hunt can begin. Hush, whisper otters to pups in a heap. We'll cuddle together till we fall asleep. Rainforest sunset, the moon's on the rise, and everyone listens to night's lullabies. Such a gorgeous book. I hope that you've enjoyed that story. There are some facts in the back, but I think I might save those for another time because they're quite a lot. There are facts about the Amazon rainforest, the people of the Amazon rainforest, the creatures, and also conservation, which means saving the rainforest and protecting it and looking after it. That will come up in your home learning pack this week. I look forward to seeing what you produce. Do keep emailing through your lovely work and your lovely projects, and I will see you very soon. Have a great day. Bye.